This is a saw which can take different angles. The robot selects the length and cuts them at this specific angle. Then positions these slats. You're reminded of similarities to a brick process. Positioning information is for free, the length of the slats is for free, the waste is absolutely minimal.
And rectangular panels, we have tilted panels, folded panels, trimmed panels, and then we have tilted and trimmed and folded panels. So now we have about 400 different types of panels. They are in total 1,100 for all of them.
There is the use value and there is also the exchange value. And there is always meaning. And meaning is essentially representation. To say that the building represents something, the drawing represents something means it carries a meaning. The question of meaning can never, in a sense, elude architecture.